My name is Cesar Yanez, and you're watching The CY Show. Hey everybody, it's Cesar Yanez again with another video. Today I brought my trusted lender and friend, Darren Goldstein. How are you doing?
Doing well. Hi everyone.
Great. So today's topic, Darren, I wanted to talk about the home buying process. It seems that people think it's a bit complicated, but it's rather simple. So a lot of people tend to reach out to the realtor first, or they tend to look at homes before they even have financing ready. So I just thought we'd speak about the process.
Yeah, absolutely. It's rather a simple process. We have an initial phone call where we talk about income, what the credit looks like, and what debt looks like. Based on that conversation, we'll send an email where it's documentation list, as simple as possible. Once we receive that documentation, we can analyze it within a few hours a day, and then what we do is we issue an approval. Then we issue the approval to the client, and then comes the fun part.
Yes, so the fun part is we get to drive all around the city to find a home that's right for you.